Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. If you're new here, hi, I'm Georgie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an Ohpolly try on haul. I got some dresses from their new collection, some bodysuits and some jeans that I'm so excited to try on. So I hope you enjoy this haul and comment below where you want my next one to be from. So the first thing that made me actually go on the site was this cute top in red. I just loved it. I thought with some red heels, and I did get some red heels from Ego, so if you want my try on haul from there. It was more like heels and accessories, so let me know if you'll be interested in that. I got this top that I thought was cute with some jeans. It's like a flared jean as well. The reason I got them from Ohpolly is I've never tried their jeans before, so I wanted to try them out. Okay, this mini dress I saw on a reel and I just loved the neckline. I thought it was so pretty and mini, and it feels like a really good quality. Just looking at it so far though, I wish it was backless. I think it's still going to be good. It's really thick. It's got flared sleeves, so I'm excited for that. And this one I've actually already tried on. I got some pictures in it that I'll insert. I'll need my sister's assistant to get this one on too, because I couldn't clip at the back myself, so I'll leave that to last. But yeah, this one is really nice. I think you'll like it. I'll try the next one on. I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, let's start off with the top first. What are your thoughts on it? So cute. Let's start off with my opinion. Wait, I need to move the camera up. Okay, so I love it. I can't remember what size I got. I'll leave that in the description below. But it's like so hugging on my arms, like so tight, but also not too tight. I can move them around. It's comfy. I feel like it's really supportive of the boobs. Like, this is me without a bra, and it's just holding everything nicely, which I love. Here, it's like sucking everything in as well, nice, without squishing me too much. I love this top. I'm wearing it with black joggers right now. Obviously I'm going to style it with the jeans, so we'll check that out in a minute, but I love it. From behind, from a distance, and up close. I think it's such a nice colour too. Like, my visions for this with the denim jeans and red heels would be like a nice little dinner outfit. Maybe daytime dinner, I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go try the jeans on now. Okay guys, I have the jeans on. Let me get them from a distance from you. I think you can see them. So you just go further back. Yeah, I think you can see them all from there. I'm obviously going to show you up close. Cute. So my opinion on the jeans, guys, is I feel like they're not too bad on the waist. Normally they're popping out there. So I like the waist, but I do feel like I could do with a belt to like put them in. The bum, I don't know if I should have sized up or if it's just the material, but I do feel like, yeah, like I can't even lift my leg high. They're not comfortable. I think maybe I should have sized up, and I felt a squish in my bum. Like, giving me a pancake bum because they're too small for me. I don't know. I don't think I love them. I think they don't feel like a good quality jean either. They feel kind of cheap. I like the length. Quite oversized. I don't even know if I like this shade of blue. Like, real denim just looks better than this. I don't love it, I can't lie. What do you guys think? But did you see my vision with the outfit combo? I do feel like they look nice together, but if this was a darker, higher quality jean, I do feel like it would be a lot better. Let me hear your guys' thoughts. I'm not in love, I don't think. Maybe I should have sized up, but this was already like a size 10 I think I got. So yes, not sure. Okay guys, this is the dress on. Let me give you a full reveal first. Oh, my tag is showing there. Okay, go further back so you can see the full length. From behind. I'll give you a closer look. It's kind of hard with black for you to see the body. I love a backless dress so much. Okay, so my thoughts on this dress is I like it. I love the backlessness. I think it's super flattering on the bum. My bum looks really good. I like the length of it. It's not long, but it's definitely not short, but it's not like just going to my knees. It's like a good length. Love the back. The only thing I don't love is the neckline, which is a surprise because I thought I was going to love that the most. But it might just be because it's too high. Maybe if I put it lower down. Let's try to do that, guys, putting it lower down. Do I like that more? I think I do. Okay, that's quite cute. Okay, yeah, I think I like it more now. I'd style it with heels, black heels. I'm actually going to do some pictures in this one in a sec. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of this. Push these up and I would like it more. But yeah, I think it's quite freaking squat proof. Yeah, you can't see anything. It's really nice. I don't know if I'd wear it though. I feel like maybe in the UK or on a holiday. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Okay, just to show you YouTube, this is how I styled the outfit for my pictures. Come on here. You can see because I'm at a big distance, but these are the shoes, and I'll be back in a minute with the next look. Guys, I was just speaking to this camera for a minute and it wasn't even recording. Giving my review of the dress, so let me try do the fake excitedness again because that was my genuine reaction a minute ago. So annoying. But I was saying that I love this dress so much compared to the black. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the black one, but this one just feels so much more me. And this is one of the outfits that convinced me to even go on Ohpolly and buy some stuff. So I knew I was going to love it, but I'm literally obsessed. So first off, I love the top part. It fits a bit like the red top because I expected the arms to be like loose. And although they give that illusion, they're not. They're very tight. Don't know if that's just because I needed to size up or what, but they're really tight. Making your arms look super skinny, which I love. And then here, your boobies are really tight as well, which is allowing them to just sit like that with no bra. They look amazing. Love. And then yeah, the waist as well, compressive, looking cute, and it's got like this little scrunch effect here that's making it look like mini and casual, cute, flowy. And I feel like it's the perfect length too. Like, it's not too short, not too long. I'm obsessed. Let's check if it's squat proof because it's white. It is. That's because it has like an underlayer like that, so you're not going to see anything. Let me show you from a big distance. Up close. I think this is my personal favourite. I love it just because I know what the other dress looks like as well. It's so cute and flattering. I feel like you could wear it evening, nighttime, dinner, club. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments too. Okay guys, I have the last dress on now and I've already worn this one before and I loved it. I'll insert the pictures that I got. I just think it's so cute. It's giving like office vibes but with a twist. This is the back. And I just think it's so different. Like, I've not seen anything like this before anywhere. It's impossible to put on yourself, but I had to get my sister to put it on. The neck, I don't know if I love that it comes up to here or if I do. I know what you guys think. It comes with 2 belts. But it's quite handy because you can wear it with jeans or anything. I started with some black jeans this week. The skirt, I love the length of it from behind, but from the front I think it's a bit long. It'd be better if it was like there. Oh, if it was tight, it's giving Jennifer Aniston. Kinda.
You wore that belt with like, jeans?
Yeah, this is the belt I wore with the black jeans the other day.
Took it off the dress?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Oh, that weird, it's smart.
It's smart, it's just weird.
It's not weird. Kids say. My sister said she doesn't like the back. What do you guys think?
I don't like the skirt, to be fair, if it was
You
shorter.
only like the skirt? I had a skirt similar like this, if you remember. Just it from a distance, guys. Of course, I love the colour, actually. And I do like this back detail. I would wear a top of this. I like it all. Let me know what you It's funny having my sister in out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I filmed a behind the scenes on my OF, so check that out. And yeah, I'll leave my sizes to everything in the description and comment which was your favourite and what you want to see next.